Before you ride out, always check your tires for the right pressure and any unwanted articles on it to prevent a puncture. However, if it happens, a rider should know how to repair it. Let's take a look at how it is done. First, ensure you have the following tools: reamer, nose plier, puncture strip insertion tool, puncture strip, and a cutter. This puncture repair kit is available at an authorized Royal Enfield service center near you. First, place the motorcycle on the main stand. Locate the puncture area and the external object which caused the puncture. Usually, it would be a sharp object like a nail. Pull out the nail carefully from the tire surface with the help of a nose plier. Hold the tire with the other hand so that it doesn't move. Carefully insert the reamer into the puncture area. Leave the reamer at the same place to prevent air from escaping from the tire. Take one puncture strip out of its package and position it on the insertion tool head till the middle of the strip. Remove the reamer and insert the strip into the punctured area with the puncture insertion tool. Push the tool hard to make it go all the way in. Push till the edges of the strip are visible outside of the tire. Once the strip goes in, pull out the insertion tool. Cut the excess strip from the tire surface with the help of a blade. Be careful not to damage the surface of the tire. The puncture is now repaired. Visit a refilling station near you to check the right air pressure on the tires. Your tire is ready to roll once again. Ride safe.